So here I've created the pricing intervals for our hotel, and now it's time to create the system that will prevent from overlapping the intervals. So here we just put the data for the beginning and the end of each interval, each pricing interval. And now we have to create a system that will help us see if some period of time doesn't assign to them a certain interval. So how we can do that? First of all, we will get total for this area. So what is the rule for overlapping? To avoid overlapping or empty interval, if this number is more than 1 or equal to 0, then we have a problem. Let's name it problem moment. Now we will extrapolate the formula.
So for example, if we will manually press 2 here,
we will get 0. If we have 2 overlapping intervals here, we will get 0. 1 here, then that symbolizes that we have a problem in this moment in January 6th. Or if we have no pricing interval for this date, this will also give us a 1 that symbolizes a problem. Then we have to, for example, let's create a problem moment. For example, we will take 1st January and 10th January, and we'll start on 10th January, the second interval. So we'll have 1 day of overlapping between interval number 1 and interval number 2. Here it is. So now we'll have to create a formula to find this moment, because the timeline is very long and we have to see this moment quickly. Also, we can have a sequence of problem moments, so this is also important. Now we will extrapolate this formula. And I will write the formula to find this moment. The formula to find this moment. So now we found this moment. Now we'll write the format of the prompt date. Here we will
get
problem date. So this is the prompt date. Here we will put this date and month somewhere here, for example, between these lines. Now we have to get the problem month. This will be a little bit harder. How we can get this? If equal to 1, then replace this. Then we have to convert this month to the number to get the totals. For that purpose, we will use VLOOKUP function. January 1. By searching this value in this table, we'll place the second column 0. So here we can see the number of month with the problem. Now we create the total, and then we have to convert this number into the month, and we'll do the reverse section. We'll go here, do like this. We will also use the lookup function for that. So we have the 10th of January is the problem moment. We'll just put this, add some line here. Month we will take from here. The date we will take from here. And we can also use some conditional formatting to help us see the problem. How we can do that? We will create a new rule, use a formula. This is more than 0, format, fill. So now we have our problem highlighted. So now we can see that we have problem point at January 10th. Here is this overlapping interval. So we will just place here 11th. And with the help of conditional formatting, we can see that the problem area disappeared. Or, for example, if we place here 9th, for example, we will also see the problem area with no interval, because we have the missing 10th of January in our timeline. And we will also see the mark that Microsoft Excel gives us a hint that we have to concentrate on this date. So now when we have created our timeline, when we specified the intervals for the pricing, our next video will be devoted to the pricing itself. If this video was useful for you, you may give us a like, you may subscribe our channel. Also, you can share this video with your friends. You can order a financial model from scratch for your business idea. Thank you and bye.